Hello guys, this is a tutorial on how to remove intercooler on your smart car, CDI engine, diesel. So first, start with basics. Remove the pipe that goes to turbo, bottom and here, vacuum. Then unplug the connector from the EGR. Remove this hose. Yeah. Then you have two bolts here and here for EGR. No? Then you have you should remove the whole EGR system. Here it is. Here it is. And one more down here. Remove it completely. Remove this hose down here. Remove it completely. Then press this. You see here. You see you have to press these two plastics so you can remove this. Remove the fan up so you have more room. Okay, here the fan is out. You can clean it with brake cleaner. Now you see the intercooler. So let's undo the EGR completely, and then I'll show you what to do next to take out the intercooler and repair it for a small amount of money. Oh, here the intercooler is out. You see how greasy and oily it is, everything. This is its holder. You have to press these on all four corners to take the intercooler out. Just take it out a little, as much as you can to here, and then tilt it here and just take it out. Here's the intercooler. I will wash it with gasoline and pour some gasoline inside to clean it and to see where it leaks. Here you can see where the intercooler has cracked. So you can buy a new one, or you can use a little trick and use the liquid metal and put it all over here to seal this hole, and that should hold. When it is all dried, pour in gasoline or something so you can see if it leaks here again, and that's it. So let's try this. So put in the liquid metal and you will see if it will do the trick to help you out a little, so you don't have to buy a new one. Okay, let's do that, and that's it. Thank you guys. Put it back in. I would suggest that you break, this is the upper side. The plastic that holds it tears it all the time because of the vibrations of the engine, and I would recommend that you cut off or tear off that part of plastic so it doesn't do the damage again. So you see that it only needs a centimeter of cutting, so it wouldn't do that again. I will show you on the car. You can't see in the dark, sorry. Here. So you have to remove this part of plastic, because this plastic cuts it all its lifetime. So remove this part and it will be okay. See, this is the where you clip it on the upper side, and that's it.